Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. Today is December 26th, 2025. The court in Ada County is scheduled to resume operations at 8 a.m. this morning following the Christmas Day holiday yesterday. We will be monitoring the docket to see if this will be the day when the public will be able to access dozens upon dozens of documents that the court found no further justification to maintain their sealed status from January, February, and March 2025 for the reasons given in the last item that appears on the court docket in the matter styled as Idaho versus Kohberger. The item in question still appears as of this morning with a red icon next to it indicating that this is a new court filing, even though this is now the 26th of December and that filing was back on the 18th of December. It is the order unsealing, redacting, and or maintaining sealed status of documents number 88 through 179. And it reads that on October 16th, 2025, the court issued an order seeking the parties' positions regarding the unsealing of the third set of documents identified therein as documents number 88 through 179. And then the court continued to write that the court has reviewed the parties' respective responses and rules as follows. Under Sections A and Section C are the dozens of documents that the court found no further justification to warrant their continued sealed status. Section A lists documents to unseal without redactions. As of today, even though the court found no further justification to warrant their continued sealed status, as of the 18th of December 2025, if you look at the docket, there are no filings from January, February, and March that appear to have been released to the public as of yet. If you go to Section C of this December 18th court order, you will find similar language that the court finds no further justification to warrant their continued sealed status, but finds that the following redactions are necessary to balance the public's right to access with the privacy concerns implicated in objections that were made by one or both of the parties. And then the court goes down. An analysis by specific document gives the title and then gives the reason why redactions, according to Judge Hippler, are necessary. Again, look at the language of this court order, which states that the court finds no further justification to warrant their continued sealed status with these redactions. If you look at the docket, similar to Section A, you will find that it does not appear that these documents have been released to the public as of today. In addition, it appears that the case summary page, which is maintained by the clerk of court in Idaho versus Kohberger, has not been updated since December 18th, 2025, with the notation of the court's December 18th order. It appears that that is the last document that the clerk noted on the case summary page. And what the case summary page is a document that is maintained by the clerk of court to note in chronological order on case summary the key events in the case, any hearings that are scheduled, any court orders that have been issued, any of the parties' motions, responses, replies, or other filings should appear on the case summary page. And according to the case summary page, nothing has been filed since December 18th, 2025, or that is the last date that the clerk has updated the case summary page. So we're going to continue to monitor the docket today to see if today will be the day that the documents in question from Sections A and Sections C of the court's order is released to the public. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.